As a website guy, trust me when I say this. You need to have your content ready before doing a website redesign, not the other way around, unless you're using existing content. Web developers and designers need the content first because they need something that flows well with your content. If you start the website redesign without content, sure, the designer or developer can add fake content for now, but it will run up the bill when you give them more content than what was planned, because they have to resize certain areas on the pages. And they might even have to change the design layout, costing you more money in the long run. So here are the steps. Step 1, content. Content first. Step 2, the design. Step 3, you move that design to development. So step 3 is development. Step 4, launch and celebrate. Sometimes when people are working on step 1, they end up changing their content completely.